As you guys can see, I finally got my Razor 800 back into the garage and freshly rebuilt motor because I guess I blew it up at the dunes, but putting everything in there, like the stator and that stuff, and got all that all done. I'm gonna clean some of this up. The motor's gonna go right there. So yeah, hopefully this time I don't blow it up literally instantly, but shout out to the guy out in Oklahoma for rebuilding my motor for the second time under warranty. So yeah, like and subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah, enjoy. Now that y'all can see after a little bit, got the motor in there. Now I just got bolted all in. There's a bracket that goes in right there, and then it bolts in. There's 2 bolts in the bottom, and then 2 bolts right here on this motor mount. So yeah, let me get that bolted in real quick. So if you guys can tell, all these bolts were left out, and they got rusted some, and like just a lot of dirt and grime. So they're sitting in gas. Ooh, that hurt. I got cut right there. But they're sitting in gas. Get some of that corrosion off of it. So you can see it's pretty dirty. So yeah, hopefully that'll clean them up. I got my throttle body, my injectors, all that stuff hooked up. Now I just gotta do all the electrical stuff. So yeah, I'll do that, and I'll get back with y'all. Maybe we'll be starting it. We'll see. Guys, I took my Razor 800 on a test drive, and it was running right, and now it's not idling right. It's idling really rough, and it's backfiring a lot, but I think it could just be bad gas. So next time I come over here, I'm gonna try to put fresh gas in it, drain the gas tank,